naman tayo, Monday. Ah, galing ko, gamit ko, bloom shine with what you have. Hello, hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. This is Coach Daphne coming to you live from Texas, USA. Maraming salamat po for those who's going to tune in or on a replay. Who are going to watch on the replay. Please let us know where you're tuning in para ma-acknowledge po namin kayo. And to introduce myself po before I let my co-business partners introduce themselves.
On the other side.
On the other side. Ito pala, no? On the left side. So there you go. From Texas, USA po, born and raised in the Philippines. My background, I'm a wife, eldest daughter. And my profession po is I'm a physical therapist here in Texas, USA, a proud digital business mentor, a coach, and I'm so blessed and excited to be here with these amazing business owners, these ladies from USA. There you go, take it away, Tita Mulet. Ayan.
Hi! Magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi sa inyong pong lahat. Si Mulet Aranza po ako. Dito po ako sa Virginia, USA, sa East Coast. Time check po dito, it's 9:58. Wow, mag-aalas 6 na pala ng gabi. But somewhere along wherever, it's daytime, evening time, noontime. So, dito lang po, gabing-gabi sa amin sa East Coast. Anyway, dito po ako sa Virginia at nurse po ako dito. Although semi-retired at ito po at I'm also as you know, as a digital business owner. Ako po ay I was gonna say housewife, which I'm a housewife, registered nurse. At I'm a proud mother, grandmother, married to my husband, which is really proud, married to my husband. So, yun lang po at I was gonna say proud. Hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Proud business owner. Hindi ko na alam. Originally from the Philippines at sa Kapampangan ko po, kaya maya pabengi po kaya kayo at nung ninuman po yung manalbe kaya kayo, ito po at apat kaya po ngeni at dahil ngaliwat, sula po, ito pong meto at siya po ken Pilipinas, at ang metong magwabraya, ito pong metong baka mag-hack-in niya anytime soon, tonight. So, at here it is, our next one, at si Maita. Here you go.
Hello, good evening, ladies. Hello, Bloomshine. Shout out natin ang ating brother Wells na nasa Philippines. He's stop by. And to Ivy and to Sis Mona. So tonight po, i-share po namin sa inyo ang aming mga strength. So if you are someone that iniisip nyo, bagay ba ako dyan? So bagay ba ako sa business na yan? Kaya ko ba yan? So i-share po namin sa inyo na hindi lahat kailangang meron tayo, you know. Galing ko, gamit ko. Pwede tayo mag-umpisa on just what we have, right? So anyway, my name po is Maita Castillo. Originally po from Taal, Batangas. Yun po ang mga roots ko is from Taal, Batangas, but I actually grew up in Las Piñas. And now, dito po kami nakatira sa Henderson, Nevada with my 2 boys and my husband for 25 years. Ang background ko po is in graphic design. And now I am running multiple home-based business at isa po dyan ng digital marketing business. So I'm also a business mentor. So yun na po. Welcome and stay tuned until the end. Sis Martes.
Thank you, Sis Maita. Ngayon ko lang napansin, di ko pala napalitan yung banner ko. So, anyway, parang Shining Eagles pa rin kasi si Tita Molet ang nandito. So, warm greetings po sa lahat. Kamusta po kayo? Sa Monday na naman po ulit. Nandito naman po kami para mag-share po ng aming pong mga personal story para makilala pa po nyo kami ng lubusan. And sana wag po kayong mapapagod na panoorin kami every Monday. So, stay tuned lang po at bubusugin namin kayo ngayong gabi. So, sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, ako po si Marites Lucas Raimundo. Born and raised din po sa Philippines. I am a proud Ilocana, naimbag nga Aldaw, ken rabii, kada kayo amin nga awan labas na. So, I am recently residing here in Illinois with my family. Of course, I am a wife, a mom of 3 wonderful children, and I am a passionate caregiver and a proud digital business owner for 3 years, and I am loving the journey. So, stay tuned lang.
Ayan, ayan. Oh, di ba? Katulad mo si Smartest, hindi ko rin napalitan yung sticker. So ngayon, meron na Bloom Shine. Galing ko, gamit ko. The Bloom and Shine with what you have. Kasi po, gagaling lang po namin sa isang meeting, sa aming isang masterclass. So, para nandito pa rin po kami para mag-show up to give value every Monday. Basta magpapakita po kami every Monday evening. So, tonight's theme po is close to our hearts kasi we bloom where we planted and shine with what we got. So, katulad din yan, kaya mag-shine din po kayo, sabi ni Sis Maita, kung meron po tayong kanya-kanyang mga strengths na hindi po natin alam, pero sa tingin ng marami, yun ang strength mo.
Yes.
Kasi sa community po na ito, we believe that you don't have to be perfect or know everything to start. You just need to show up lang po with what you already have, your skills, your story, and your big heart to learn. We all come from different walks of life. Ayan. Busy mom, caregiver, nurse, PT, ayan. Loves music, works in the hotel, ayan, kanya-kanya, retired teacher. But that's what makes this journey so inspiring. Tonight, we're highlighting po real stories from our fellow sisters here in the business to turn their galing, their gifts, their strengths to build something meaningful one step a day at a time. So whether you're watching us live or on a replay po, know this. Ayan. Know this po. Your uniqueness is your strength. Yun po lagi yung sinasabi ko sa kanila. Mayroon po ka tayong angking galing. So, dahil ako na po ang nag-unang magsalita, yun po ang share ko ngayon. Your strength, building the community, the value to share. Kasi, yung sa akin naman po, I always like to recognize and celebrate others. Kasi, I'm that person po na wanted to uplift people through words, not just words, kasi dito online po kami, so more be present, emojis, positive energy, no? Kasi yung energy na positivity mo, and it's like kahit online, nagre-resonate yan sa mga taong sinusurround mo. So we create a warm, safe space for the team. Ayan. Sa ating grupo, whether you're connected or not. Example po, walang iwanan, 'di ba? Sometimes we feel that we're on the low side. There you go. Sometimes sabi ng AI nakikinig sa akin. So sa team namin walang iwanan. When we feel low, we know that we need somebody to build us up, right? We know that we need a word of inspiring words or just a one-liner that would kind of spark your day. So we're building confidence, courage, community. Ayan. So, galing ko, gamit ko. So, nung umpisa, I really don't know what to offer. Alam ko lang yung trabaho ko as a physical therapist. But you know, my strength is connection, right? My strength is connection to people. I may not always say the right words or perfect strategies all the time, but I know how to make people feel seen, heard, and supported. Whether it's kind of message, a little emoji, sabi ko nga, showing up consistently and lead with the heart. Because I know po how it feels to start something new and really not knowing exactly what we're going to do. Kasi I've been there. Kaya gusto ko yun i-share. And you know what's powerful talaga is when someone simply says, I see you and I believe in you. When you see it in the post, right? You got it right and I'm proud of you. I see you. Maybe you just need that words of encouragement, right? That's why I use the strength to that I have to help create a space where no one feels alone. We're not just building a business, we're building courage, confidence, sabi ko nga, in a community. This is how I bloom and shine, and this is how I show up a day by day. Yun po ang galing ko, gamit ko, even it's not perfect at times, but it's really me. And I'm choosing to use it po to lift others as I grow with them. So yun lang po ang masishare ko ngayong gabi. I hope you gained value from it. Ayan. Alright. Sinong next? Si Tita Malet ba ang unahin natin? Kasi nandito siya sa left ko, right? Please unmute yourself. Did I say it right now?
Okay, ako na ba? Okay, so sabi nga nila, your strength is your superpower, di ba? So you can use your unique gifts to build a business that blooms. Kasi kaya nga may bloom shine tayo. So anyway, tonight's yung message ko po, ito lahat siguro naman sa atin, special lahat sa atin ito because it's about yung i-recognize natin yung strength natin that we already carry, but how they help us to grow a business that feels aligned with who we are. But I'll be honest, I used to think that I don't have any special skills. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, wala naman akong special skills for this. I'm not, sabi nila, you're techie, but I'm not really techie. I'm not a salesperson, definitely, and I'm not a business expert. But what I know I do have is a heart, which I know everybody here, and I've come to realize that heart is a strength. Coming from a nursing background, and I've spent most of my life caring for others, and that's actually where my strength is. Listening, supporting, helping people feel seen and safe. And that's actually probably the strength of mine is even when I'm mentoring somebody or I have somebody who's actually have like the leads or the buyers that we're having here that I'm talking to, and that's where actually probably where the nurturing comes from. I didn't think those skills would mean anything in business, but when I started this digital journey, I realized those exact qualities, empathy, patience, consistency, and care are the reason I've been able to connect with people, grow a community, and show up in a way that feels authentic. I don't need, you don't need to be flashy. Hindi naman ho kayo kailangan mag-flashy na, oh, ganito kami, or ganyan. I just need to be me. And that's more than enough. One of the most beautiful things about this business is that we all come from different backgrounds. Hindi nakikita nyo naman, hindi ho kami pare-pareho. Ugali ho namin, hindi ho kami pare-pareho. Some are creatives. Ayan, tignan nyo naman ho si Maita. Very creative yan. Diba? Lahat ho kami. Lahat yan. Si Marites. Si Daphne. Ayan. Lahat yan. Some are caregivers. Ayan, si Marites. Ayan, si Maita sa mga anak niya. Ayan, lahat. ano nila. Some are organizers, ayan po si Daphne, and or storytellers, wala si Mona. Oh. And instead of competing, we collaborate. We shine together. And that's the magic of Bloom Shine. We bring our individual light, and together we create something even more powerful. So if you're watching this and thinking, but I'm not like them, I don't have what it takes, let me stop you right there. You do have something to offer because no one else has your story, your experiences, or your way of connecting. Maybe your strength is your consistency. Maybe it's your creativity. And maybe it's just your heart and the fact that you care deeply. Whatever it is, don't underestimate it. It might just be the thing someone out there needs to see or hear from you. So here's my message to you tonight, for whoever is listening. Use what you have. Start where you are and trust that your light is enough. So we were never meant to bloom alone. And in this space, your unique gifts are not just welcome. They're needed. So if you're ready to explore how your own strengths could help you build something meaningful, you can come and join us. Reach out to any one of us or visit our website and let's find the light inside you that's waiting to shine. Yun lang po.
Well said. Very well said. Yan daw ang hindi walang strength.
Wala nga ba?
Strength. Yan ang strength mo.
That's your strength. Your biggest strength.
Your biggest strength is how you present this.
Yes. Ayoko na nga. Tapos na. Ang ganda, tita, na sinabi mo.
Thank you. Coming from the heart.
Yeah, very well said. Really, we felt it. Ayan, naiyak nga ako.
Naiyak nga tuloy si sister. Ako din, naiyak ako.
Really, totoo naman di ba? Sa atin lahat yan.
Yeah.
That's true.
We collaborate. One strength is enough, then when we put it together, we're solid.
Yes, definitely.
Nakakaiyak naman yung tita.
O, Direk, ikaw naman.
Ako naman. So, medyo short kwento lang yung backstory ko. When I had my coaching call and then Coach Noche said, I don't know how I mentioned that. Oh, I have a YouTube channel, and then she said, oh, so this business is all about that, like doing video, doing creative posts using Canva, and I'm like, oh, so I got this. Alam ko na yan. So. But this business hindi kahit naman anong galing mo, it's not really a get rich quick type of business. Basta continue lang to use what you have, right? And then still develop kung ano pa yung kailangan mong i-develop. Anyway, definitely ang strength ko is my creativity. So that is my background, and so yun ang strength ko. So paano ko ba siya nagagamit sa business? So yung strength ko I always think of creative ideas. Mahilig akong mag-isip ng kakaiba. Gusto ko yung medyo angat ako sa iba. And of course, I apply it to our team too. Nag-iisip ako ng topics, gumagawa ako ng content, nagde-design ako ng visuals natin para para mas maging interesting at meaningful yung message natin online. Gusto ko bawat post or live natin may dating at may puso. So, ang example dyan, yung creativity ko nakakatulong, hindi lang sa akin, pero sa team natin. Like yung mga topics at saka yung mga ina-assign ko sa inyo na sarili niyong topic. I make sure na napapakita niyo yung brand ninyo. So, yun yung mission ko pagka nag-iisip ako ng topic and ina-assign ko. Gusto ko ma-showcase ninyo yung or ilalabas ninyo yung stories ninyo, yung experiences ninyo, yung insights ninyo, yung feelings ninyo, na napaparamdam natin kung ano yung mission natin. Hindi lang siya basta magandang usapan, pero nararamdaman ng tao yung sincerity at purpose ng ginagawa natin. So, ang message ko lang to whoever will be watching us, who's watching us right now live or in a replay, hindi mo kailangan maging sobrang galing magsalita o expert sa kung ano man. Baka ang strength mo ay kung anong idea, sa pagsasalita, sa pag-organize, o simpleng pagsuporta, lahat yan mahalaga. Gamitin mo kung ano yung meron ka. Doon ka magsimula, doon ka magtanim, at mag-bloom din yan. Your gift has a place here, and it can be a blessing to others too.
Ayan. Oy, may nagpakita galing sa Philippines. Very well done.
Hello, Kuya Wells.
Kuya Wells.
Soon, magko-co-host ka na, ha? Ganun.
Pagdating mo dito, kamo.
Pagdating mo dito, ikaw na dyan, ha? Sa hot seats. Anyway, wow, very well said. Totoo yan. Totoo yan talaga. Kasi, as you can see on our daily, not on our weekly topics, no? Sis Maita is very creative enough to really, this is you. You need to focus on that. This is you. So the distribution was really because that's your strength, or that's where you can bloom and shine, right? Mm-hmm. So now, huwag natin patagalin. Ibigay na natin sa mga Ilocano dyan. Si Martes.
Okay, thank you, Coach. Wow. Ang gagaling ng mga kasama ko. Sabi ko, konting kwento lang. Yesterday, before I'll share my story, when this topic was presented sa aming chat group, siguro napansin ni Sis Maita, Coach Daphne, wala akong reaction at all. Dati-rati kasi pag nagpo-post kung sino man sa kanila, I'm always, comment or giving heart reactions. Pero yesterday talaga, wala akong reaction. Kasi maybe because busy kami dahil nag-celebrate kami ng post-birthday ng husband ko. Or maybe because wala akong maisip na skill ko for the topic. Diba? But I already have in my mind. Pero sabi ko, I need validation. Kasi mahirap namang sabihin ko na ito yung skill ko, then hindi naman pala. So, I post comment dun sa chat group namin. Kanina sabi ko, wala akong alam na skill ko until I read that validation na hinihintay ko from Sis Maita. So, thank you, Sis Maita. I used to think, wala naman akong special na skill. I'm not super techy. I don't have a loud or strong personality. Hindi rin ako magaling sa sales or sa public speaking. And honestly, sometimes or maybe all the time, I felt yung ordinaryong tao lang ba ako, yung kumbaga nung nagsabog ang Panginoon ng mga skills, tulog siguro ako nung time na yun.
Tulog siya sa pansitan at that time.
Coach, tulog siguro ako nung time na yun, kaya wala akong nasalo. Pero,
Sinambot ko lahat.
sabi ko nga, don't get me wrong, God. Sabi ko, I'm grateful sa lahat ng mga binigay mo sa akin. So, yaya. So now I realize maybe listening is one of my skills. Siguro di pa nade-develop yung iba. Sa edad kong to, di pa nade-develop. yung tahimik lang ako, pero I really hear them out. Naririnig ko kung ano yung mga hinaing nila. Naririnig ko kung ano yung mga gusto nilang sabihin. Naiintindihan ko kung saan sila nanggagaling. And siguro that simple thing, yung listening with a sincere heart, that's what helping me grow my business. When someone opens up to me, I don't rush to pitch. Pinihintay ko lang na magsalita sila. I listen. I ask questions, then I support them where they are, and that build trust and real connection. So, if you like me or like Tita Molet na sabi niya, I don't have any special skills, pareho kami, let me remind you that maybe you are a quiet encourager, or maybe you're great at making others feel safe, or maybe your smile makes someone's day. So don't underestimate that, because this business, it's about how well you connect. And for me, that starts with listening. That's the superpower. Listening is a superpower. So keep showing up with your heart and bloom with what you've got. So because that's more than enough. Yun lang sa akin, yung simpleng ano ko lang, dahil yung skill ko.
Well, totoo yan. Sa aming lahat, si Smartest is the good listener. Yun ang kanyang superpower. Promise. Lahat kami react na, dapat respond. Siya, makikinig muna siya bago siya. So that was a really good one. Because not everybody is a good listener, because when somebody's talking, we already have an answer instead of just listening first. So that's a good strength of yours. Yan. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hindi lang ako natuto. I hope we have given you enough value to, so that, yan ang ano natin.
Yeah.
Ano tawag nito? Kakaibang topic ngayon. Yan.
So, yeah. I just want to mention the thing that inspired me with this topic is Mona's bilingual
skills recently.
Yeah. Kasi parang kay Mona, pag inaano namin siya, pag nag-uusap-usap kami, parang sometimes she put herself down. Na ganito ako, ganyan. And then nung nag-coaching call kayo with a Spanish person. So, na-proud kami na, meron siyang nagamit na sarili niyang strength. Wala sa ating lahat na makakagawa nun. But her.
Lawyer pa mo, yung lawyer pa.
Diba?
Yes.
Lawyer pa.
Yeah, so yun yung inspiration ng topic na to. Nasabi ko, may kanya-kanya tayong galing, and then when we put it together, diba?
So wala siya.
Teamwork makes the dream work, diba? Kasi we always tell her that just do the Spanish one. She don't believe that she's she has that superpower. You just need to believe in yourself, because other people believes in you. Diba?
Yeah.
Ay, Coach. Special shout out kay Sis Virginia Winter. Thank you for watching.
Hello.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Nasa Laguna na si Kuya.
And to our audiences, if someone needs to hear all this, paki-share po ang aming video.
Yes. Sanda mo, meron tayo kanya-kanyang superpower. So to end this, remember lang po that it's not having it all, diba? It's not about having it all. It's about using what's already in you, your story, your voice, your strength. Yan po ang galing mo. So keep
Gamitin mo.
blooming, di ba? Keep shining. Never underestimate the power of starting with what you have, because in this community po, no dreamer gets left behind.
Mama.
Yan. So until next Monday po, magugulat na lang po kayo kung sino ang mag-host. Pero magpapakita po kami. But we will here consistently giving value to you every Monday night. We might not start on time, but we're here every Monday to give value to you and to show this amazing community and collaboration. And yan. I hope meron po kayong napulot na aral. Whether you're in the business or on your daily life, lagi niyo pong tatandaan, believe in yourself lang kasi you have the strength in you to do the things that you can do. Kailangan mo lang maniwala sa sarili mo. Kasi sino pang maniniwala kung hindi ikaw muna, di ba? Pero hindi mo lang alam na ang nakapaligid sa'yo, malaki ang believe sa'yo. Ikaw lang ang parang you so critical to yourself. Diba? The best critic is ourselves, diba? The worst critic is ourselves kasi lagi natin pinuput down yung ano natin. So believe in ourselves that each of us has a unique strength, and that's you. All right. Thank you. Until next time. God bless, mabuhay, and paalam. God bless.
Good night.